Okay, so I've shown you how to do your first funnel, but what if you want to split test your homepage of your website? And you'll say, why would I want to do that? Because again, your homepage is your main landing page where most of the people will go. And you don't know what kind of a messaging might work the most, what kind of a button or different sections might work and convert into more customers. So this is the most amazing way and pretty much the only place where you can actually build a website and split test your pages. So how do you do that? So first of all, just go again into your funnel section and create a new funnel that is going to be an empty one. So just click on an empty and let's go with a home funnel. This is where our homepage will be. And just like that, we've created a blank funnel. Now let's go into the funnel settings and make it a homepage. That will make our funnel that we just created our home funnel, which will show whatever is inside this funnel to be the first one that they see. Now all we have to do is move our homepage inside the home funnel. So just go into the pages, click on the three dots and then move to a funnel. And from the drop down, you select the funnel that is here. So you can move it into the home funnel. Just click on move and that's about it. You have created your home funnel and you have your home page to be the main page inside the home funnel. You can delete this blank page that we had. But okay, now great, we've created our home funnel. Now how do we take advantage of the A/B testing? So first of all, you can split test your home page and now starting building your B tests, and you can have different things such as different image, you can have different keywords, different messaging, you can, why not even have all the content in the middle? Maybe that will be more appealing for the customers, whatever it is for the visitors. And click on save changes, and of course you can go back to the A version and work on that version as well. So you can build whatever design that you want and test out different things. But in order to see the results, you have to have another step that you have to go to. So if this is a home page where the main idea is for people to book an appointment with us, so all the call to actions, or at least most of them, is to go into the page where they can, contact us. We have to add this step, this page, inside this section, inside the funnel. So in order to track the visitors going from the home page to the next step. So let's create a new page that is going to be our contact page. So if we go to the contact, let's say that we want to add something, I don't know, something like this, for example, which is going to be appointment. And just like that, we've added our new step where our people will go inside and book an appointment with us. So idea behind this funnel is we have a person going to the home page. As you can see now, in the funnel, you have these percentages, because that will show how many people went from this step into the appointment and how many people went from this step to the appointment. And the percentage will show, what is the percentage of people going. So that will determine which is the more successful one. The bigger the percentage, the higher the conversion, the better the step it is. And this way you can create different split tests of different pages that you might have with different campaigns that you're running and see what works the most. You don't have to wonder anymore, because you can do it, split test it right now. Before, for example, when we were doing split tests back in the days, for example, you had to do a page for, let's say, 2 weeks, track it with analytics and, track some way to do the conversions to see how many people converted. Then you can have another 2 weeks to test out a different landing page that might have completely different traffic source and have completely different results. And you have basically no idea if the B version was actually working better or not. But right now, when you do a split test, it shows 50-50 randomly each one of the pages, and it's for real time, and it's for the people who are coming right now, the traffic that is coming right now to your website. And you can actually see which one is converting better, and you can select the winner. How do you do that? By clicking on the pencil, on the gear icon, and you can either do it automatically by reaching a certain visitor count, or manually select the one that you want at any time to be your winner, and that will be the only one that will be showing. So this is how simple it is to do all that for your funnels. and your home pages. A simple but amazingly efficient way, and as you can see, it's so simple. It's really simple, but it has great results, and this can actually have an amazing impact to your business, especially if you're running some paid traffic as well, to see what is actually converting better. But in general, when you're doing any type of campaigns, in my opinion, for promotion of different, whatever it is, if it's a product, if it is a service, whatever it is, just create a landing page in a funnel and send people there, so it is very focused of your campaign, and your pages to be very focused for that specific goal that you're trying to achieve. That's why the funnels are so great, because they're really focused into that one goal. If it is a sales funnel, to sell the product. If it is a lead generation funnel, to generate the lead through the forms, or however you want to collect the information. So this is it. This is how simple it is to build a home funnel, to split test your homepage, and generally how to use the funnels into your advantage and completely change your business overnight.